Hey guys, this is Chet with Cletus Connection over here in North Little Rock, Arkansas. Guys, I'm taking off this week and I plan on doing this every 30 to 45 days. I'll be Jonesboro, Memphis, Jackson, Mississippi, back around to Shreveport through the northern part of Louisiana into Texarkana and back into Little Rock again. Now if you're in these areas, I can come by and see you. And what we're doing while I do this is guys order chemicals and they ain't got to pay shipping because I'm going to bring it to them. As you can see, I'm making this road trip. It's going to take me about 3 or 4 days. I'm loaded up with stuff for all kinds of customers in Jonesboro, Mississippi, Memphis, Shreveport. I want to show you something that's very interesting, guys. I'll get you to follow me here to the back of the truck. In these other areas that you don't have a company like ours in, like in Jackson, Mississippi, y'all don't really have a company like ours, and in Shreveport, you don't have a company like ours where we're a full service company and we can fix all these air movers and your dehumidifiers. So what I'm doing, like I said, I'm going to be coming around every 30 or 45 days. I'm going to pick up your bad dehumidifiers, your bad air movers, I'm going to bring them back here and fix them and then bring them back to you next time I come down. I got a service master in Memphis that we've done that with, and I've got 6 dehumidifiers in here and about 3 air movers that we fixed for them. I'm taking them back over to them tomorrow, get them a real good job, real good price on all that, and also bring some toys with me to show everybody. So the new, check this out. This is a new air scrubber right here, little bitty thing, man. Look at that, 550 cubic feet per minute. Just all kinds of stuff, guys. If you're interested in wanting to see me while I'm on this trip, just give me a call at 501-258-3779. And remember, my name is Chet Clark, and I'm your Clean Connect.